Hey everybody, I'm David.
I'm Brenda.
We're from OutsideOurBubble.com, or should we say InsideOurBubble.com?
Yes.
Please.
We are staying inside our bubble.
Stay inside your bubble. Please stay inside your bubble. Outside our bubble is no longer a thing. Well, it's still a thing, or it will be again.
But we're just staying inside right now.
We are staying inside our bubble because this coronavirus thing is just out of control. We're in Houston, Texas. So basically, Houston is in a red zone, red
zone
right now.
Yeah.
They're considered a very hot zone, which is not good for us, because why we are here is because of my prostate cancer. So this video is an update to where we currently are with that. And first and foremost, the first thing I need to do is I need to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I am humbled by the hundreds of emails that have come in, not only from people just sending us their well wishes, but also by people who have sent me their stories of their own prostate cancer and what they've gone through and their decisions that they had to make. I thank them in particular, because to share their stories with a stranger, because I don't know you personally, is great. And it really is an amazing thing. It's an amazing feeling. And I know the people that sent me those messages did not have the outreach of support that I currently have because of the videos and the YouTube channel and the following that we have.
Yeah.
So to those people who went through this before me and didn't have this outreach other than family and friends, I'm talking hundreds of emails, and it's
humbling.
Yeah, it's humbling. I mean,
but not only the emails, but
the flowers.
We've gotten flowers delivered.
We've gotten cards delivered.
Cards in the mail.
Here, because what they did is they looked up the RV park that we're at, and they sent us this in the US, and we didn't know they were coming.
Yeah.
And they just were surprised. We got a call from the office. Somebody just delivered a bouquet of flowers for you. It was like, what? It's like, and we had no idea who these people were. We also got.
Please hold. I'm not a techie. That's for our fans out there that know me.
We also got a Build-A-Bear sent to us. This is Dr. Bubbles.
Yeah.
Yes, he is a bear in scrubs, and this was sent to us by our friends right here. We did not know it was coming. It was a surprise. And so we actually got a Build-A-Bear from our followers and friends, among flowers and cards and everything.
Well, and we've even had people stop by and knock on our door just to check in and see how we are.
Yeah, we had one gentleman who is actually staying in another RV park. He's a full-timer, 40 miles away. He drove, or 40 minutes away.
40 minutes.
He drove, well,
which could be 5 miles away.
Exactly. So he came in just to knock on our door to say hello. But in any case, we wanted to send this video out to let you know we are still in Houston. We will be in Houston for some time, for the first...
At least another couple months.
Yep. And the reason is because we have changed directions. We are, in regards to my prostate cancer, we have now chosen to go with SBRT, radiation therapy, which is stereotactic body radiation therapy.
Oh, good. I was hoping you'd get that.
I usually screw it up. So stereotactic
stereotactic body radiation therapy.
Yes, SBRT, and is a more current form of radiation therapy that is more targeted and also done over a lesser period of time.
Oh, and the machine that they use for it is really cool.
Yeah. In fact, MD Anderson, the place that we are going to, and the doctors we are going to at MD Anderson in Houston, there's only 4 of these machines in the country, and they were the first one to have one of these machines that does this particular procedure. And it's really cool. So I'm into tech, so that's a good thing. But it'll take my radiation treatments from 2-month span, which is the normal course of radiation treatments is a 2-month span, 5 days a week for 2 months, low dose radiation. However, this machine is able to distribute high doses of radiation, very focused at sub-millimeter precision, to where they're targeting, and therefore we can do 5 treatments over a week and a half period.
Yeah.
However, why it's going to take so long before we get to that is because I went on medication, 2 medications that will, one, shrink my prostate even though it's not large. They're going to shrink it. They're going to try to shrink it slightly because the smaller the prostate, the smaller the target, the less radiation. And second, the second drug is to weaken the membranes, the cell membranes of the cancer cells. Therefore, again, the weaker the cells are for the cancer cells only, the less radiation that has to be used to destroy them. So, SBRT along with a drug regimen is what we are pursuing at this time.
Yes.
So, we wanted to send this video out quickly and say thank you very much for all the emails that have come in, and especially to those people who have been through this. We thank you very much for your own personal stories, and each and every one of them I took to account into my decision of what direction I went.
And it really has touched us that all of you care enough to just send a word and say, hey, we're thinking of you.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
We knew we had a reach and an audience. Don't get me wrong. We knew that even though we don't have the largest RV audience out there of the video people on YouTube, we do have a following that seems to be dedicated to us based on we only talk about things we would use, have used, or would use, have used, or do use. And so we don't market things just to market things.
So
and
you're very much appreciated.
It's very much appreciated, the comments and the love and the prayers that we got from everybody out there. So we thank you for that. So that's your update from outside/inside your bubble.
Outside, but stay inside your bubble.
OutsideOurBubble.com, again, which is the whole idea of that is to get out and enjoy life and explore. But right now, please stay inside your bubble. Please, until we get through this. I just hit my microphone. In any case, please stay inside and until we get through this, and then get outside your bubble again, because it will come. The day will open, the lights will bright, everything will become better, and we'll be able to get back to normal operation.
Whatever normal is.
Yeah, whatever normal is. Whatever the new normal will be.
Yeah.
So, any case, thank you again. We appreciate you all. And that's our update from Houston, Texas. And we'll let you know how things progress in the future. But for now, I'm David.
I'm Brenda.
And Loki's over there laying on the dashboard sleeping. We're from outside/inside your bubble. And we'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.